question 4. Find the following integrals. Okay, we have the first one. This a part, which will be equal to that integral, that 3 integral of 3 on the outside, sine 2x plus 1 dx, then plus the 4 also can be outside, integral of 1 over 2x plus 1 dx. So on the final answer, this will be equal to what? Integral of sine is minus cos. So that's minus 3 cos 2x plus 1. And don't forget, you divide by 2, then this one plus integral of this, that will be ln 2x plus 1. Okay? And then the 4 is there. Then you divide by what? By 2 plus what? C. So that's that on that question 1. And then 4 by 2, that's a 2. For the b part, I'll do it straight away from here. So this will be exponential to power 5x over 5. Then plus 1 minus x to power what? This 5 plus 1, that's 6 over 6. Okay, and don't forget this one, the attachment to this function is minus. So you divide by what? By minus. And that's all, plus c. Plus c. So the final answer will be 1 over this, and then minus 1 over 6, 1 minus x power 6 plus 6. Then the third one, this one, so this will be integral of 1 over this function, that will be cosec squared. Yeah, it's 2x. Okay, then plus integral of 1 over this, 1 minus 2x, 1 plus 2x. Okay, then plus integral of 1 plus 2x to power minus 2. Remove this inverse function, I mean the 1 over, okay, dx. Don't forget to put the x on each of those integration. So the answer will now be the integral of cosec squared, that will be minus cot 2x. Then you divide by 2, so that's 1 over 2. Integral of this function will be ln 1 plus 2x. Then you divide by what's attachment to that function, 1 over 2. Then this one, that will be plus, this will be 1 plus 2x. This one here, plus 1, that's minus 1. Then over what? Over minus 1. So the final answer for C will be minus half cot 2x plus 1 over 2 ln 1 plus 2x. Okay? And then here, plus minus. So that's minus, and that will be 1 over what? 1 over 1 plus 2x. Okay? So that's that on that. Okay, I skipped something here. Sorry for that. When you are here, this one, okay, plus the power plus 1, okay, which is minus 1 over minus 1. Then you divide by the attachment to the function. So that's 1 over 2. 1 over 2 will be here. Okay? 1 over 2 will be there. So in this place now, we have times 2 in this place. So then plus c. So that's that on that c part. For d parts, so it's going to be this one, integral of this one, which is integral of 3x plus 2 power 2 dx, then plus integral of 3x plus 2 to power minus 2. So this one will become 3x plus 2, 2 plus 1 by 3, then you do by 3. Then you divide by what? Attachment to this function, 1 by 3. Then here, this will be 3x plus 2, minus 2 plus 1, that's minus 1 over minus 1. Okay, there's a plus here. Then plus c. So let's do the arrangements. So this will be 1 over 9, 1 over 9, 3x plus 2 to power 3, plus minus, that's minus Then remove this minus power, okay, and that will be 1 over 3x plus divide by minus 1. And don't forget, there's attachment to that function. That's 1 over 3. Okay? So here will be 3x plus 2, open brackets, and close the brackets. There's 3 here, so that's what? 3 here, plus. So that's the answer for that question. So the thing is that you must use your table, and at the same time, you must play with questions. I've been saying it over and over again. I've been saying it over and over. The more questions you solve, the better you become. And that's what we are doing in this channel, to solve as many questions as possible. Okay? Please click on the video, there's an icon on it. You're yet to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime there's a new update. Okay? Click on like button, send your comments, and finally share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.